paired gatekeepers. They're going to come tied together. This particular store, the primary yellow dot and the secondary green dot. So the yellow dot goes on the rear left, and then the secondary goes on the front right. These are 2-tier carts. There's a specific way you need to put these clips on. The little red marking on the top of that axle needs to face up. The clip that has the arrow on it, you have to have an arrow facing up with the red and an arrow facing front of the cart. Clip goes on there. Then the other clip on the other side. So it'll look like this and like this, and then you'll just slide the wheel on. As you see, my arrow is facing up, so that means up towards the handle. The cart, the red dot, has to face up towards the handle, and then they just slide on like that. And you have to make sure the ID tags face left, because when this rear or this front wheel is rolling forward, it'll roll like this. It's not going to roll like this. It's on a swivel caster, so it's going to roll like this. ID tags, the color tags, must face left. So everything is left. This particular store is a register read store, meaning the carts are not going to lock up as long as they go past the register.